Alright, so we're going to unbox today. This is going to be a Sentry safe. I practically know nothing about it, so let's go in together, see exactly what we get with this. Packaging seems nice, no damage on there. Pull this thing out. It says it's a biometric safe. So there you go. Alright. Comes with 2 barrel keys right there. Very nice. It's a pretty heavy little thing, actually. This has got to be a pretty... Wow, that is a heavy little safe. So, definitely well made. Kind of a semi-gloss black material there, finish. Seems decent enough. Kind of Teflon panish, as I like to say. Alright, let's open this thing up. That is heavy. That is a heavy little safe. So let's go on the inside here, see if it has an automatic opening lid. Very nice. That was quick. I like that. Let's do it again. There we go. That's fast. Very nice. So, brochure, QR code, whatnot. Quick access. I guess this is going to be your permanent mounting bolts right there. There's your permanent mounting locations right there. It has a very dense foam padding everywhere. Very nice. Pretty thick gauge still there. Not sure the thickness just yet. Gas piston there. So yeah, this is definitely a heavier gauge, heavier duty type of safe. So from here, we'll be doing later on, this is just the unboxing video, I'm going to be doing a full review of the safe. I'm going to put it through a biometric scanner test, wet finger, powdery finger condition. Some of these safes have failed, and if you want to check them out on my channel, you can find those Bill Conch if you want to check that out. This has a backup number pad, and here's your barrel keys. So we'll see if it passed those tests and see if it's ultimately something I recommend. In future tests on this channel, I'm going to be testing it with, this is a mold material. I'm going to take a mold of my finger, use this Play-Doh or silly putty to make a fingerprint, and we'll see if we can trick some of these biometric scanners into opening. That'll be later on. Also, just to make sure, we're going to use this fishing magnet here. This is a 600-pound on and off type of magnet, and we'll see if we can pull any metal parts. Some safes in the past have been able to be opened like that. Pretty sure this won't work on most of these safes, but you never know. We'll just make sure it doesn't. So until next time, we'll see you then.